do the
Hey guys, what's going on? We got Trentin from Team Lifestyle, and this is his bike check.
Before we do that, make sure you go check out my channel, Dr. Dano Films, and Dr. Dano Games. It's awesome content.
And his Instagram as well. You want to check?
At Dr. Dano Films.
Okay, and your TikTok?
At Dr. Dano Films.
All right, good. So, let's get right into this. Start the grips. These are 25/9 flanged grips, and they're like a mixed black and green color. Pretty nice. Some plastic bar ends coming down to the handlebars. He's probably going to switch them out soon.
These are really small.
They're a little small for him, but these are Mirko handlebars.
Your whole bike is custom painted.
The stem. This is my old stem I used to run when I rode Sabrosa. That's a Sabrosa top load stem. Down to the frame, as well as the forks, it's a Mirko bike, custom. Seat is a green Mafia bike seat from the Green Oil Slick Madman. Pretty rare seat, hard to get your hands on.
Oh yeah,
that.
by the way guys, the bike is almost completely full of chromoly, by the way.
Everything on this bike is chromoly.
Except for like this and stuff. But these aren't chromoly.
Pedals, green with the extenders. Cranks, 4130 chromoly. They are Vice cranks, as well as a Vice sprocket and a KMC chain. Back here is a Vice hub. It's got a nice deep tone to it. It's probably my favorite part about the bike, with custom green Fiction rims and Source BMX titanium spokes. Same with the front wheel. Everything's the same. Sealed bearings as well. Tires. These are Vinny's old tires from the Mongoose L80, front and back. Bike's fully brakeless. Yeah, you want to go ahead and do bunny hop real quick?